Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a unboxing slash overview of the Anker Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard. I originally purchased this for my girlfriend for Christmas. She has already unboxed it, so I'm just going to go over the specs and everything. It is Bluetooth. It is compatible with Android and Apple. Sorry, the camera, I've already did a review or an opinions video on. It's the Vivitar that I'm using. It's compact. It's got I don't know why it says extended battery, considering you have to put batteries in it. Now, if you look here, it doesn't focus, but I'm sorry. You can kind of pause and see if you can read that. It does work with Android. My girlfriend has tested it on her tablet. Now, let's get to what's inside. Eventually. Yes, I do have a homemade stand over there, but I rarely use it. Now, this is what the keyboard itself looks like. It is very, very lightweight. And as you can see, it has all the keys of like probably a standard laptop, or except for the numeral key that goes right there. And to give you a little summary, how to connect this, you have to hit FN and Z. So you have to go chick, chick. This light here will blink. Then, while it's blinking, you hit FN S for Android. It'll pop up. Then you type in the code on your phone here, hit enter, and it will pair. And my girlfriend seems to like it. She writes her stories and everything with it. So I just wanted to do like I said, a quick unboxing overview of this keyboard. It does take 2 AAAs, and it does have a dedicated on and off switch. So thank you for coming to my video. This video will not be uploaded until after my unboxing of the J3 Achieve phone. So, thanks for coming. Smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Give me some tips, some advice on what I could do different. I am just starting. One of my main reasons for starting is the Omar Gosh TV channel and Omar Gosh vlogs. He kind of inspired me to do YouTube, so if you want, I'll try to throw a link in the description. Go over and show his channel some love, and I'll see you guys in the next video.